Okay, and let me just. Hello, hi, Tanjua Verma.
Yeah, it's Tanuja.
Tanuja, okay. It's really difficult for me to always pronounce the Indian names
Okay.
because we have similar names in Pakistan. So here sometimes we pronounce in a different way. That's why.
Yes, it happens when you listen some another country's people name, then it is quite difficult sometimes.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so let's start with the introduction. So, can you give your short introduction?
Okay, I am an engineer by profession. I am currently working as a design engineer. I am from Pakistan, Islamabad.
Okay, so you are a design engineer.
Yes,
So, how long you have experience? How many years of experience you have?
you can say 3 to 4 years.
Okay, that's nice.
How about you? Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So, as you know, my name is Tanuja and I am from Bhopal city. And my qualification, I have done engineering from computer science, and currently I am also a working professional in one of the IT company. And I have also completed 4 years in my company, and simultaneously I'm running my YouTube. That's all about me.
So you are working from home these days?
Yes, I'm working from home.
Okay, that's why I saw your YouTube channel. You are making lot of videos. When you are working from home, you have lot of advantages. Like you can do whatever you want in your free time.
Yes, you are absolutely right because after work we have time, we don't have to go anywhere, and yes, we can save this time to utilize in another activities as well.
Exactly, that's great. So after COVID, since COVID, you are working from home.
Yes, since COVID I am working.
Okay, that's great.
And
So
what
you are
about you?
working as a software developer, or what is your, I mean,
Yes, I am a security consultant here.
okay,
I'm in cyber security domain.
okay, that's great. Because I know like there is one developer, automation, like quality engineers and these kind of engineers streams are usually in the IT companies, but yeah, some companies also have this stream, like you are saying.
Yes, we have multiple roles and people are working on different designation as well. So it depends. Yes, as you told that we have multiple job roles according to the project as well. So I am working here in as a security analyst. So yes, we have multiple roles.
So you have experience in only security analyst field or any other field as well?
Yeah, I have only knowledge about this thing because I'm working in this field for last 4 years. But yes, apart from this, I have some basic knowledge of some another programming languages as well. That is for my interest only, but it is not required in my job role. I'm just doing it for my knowledge only.
In your job, like which programming language do you use?
No, it's not a programming language. We have to work on a tool. We have
Okay.
to, yes.
So a tool is you can say on tool you don't need any language, right?
Yes, yes. On tool also we have two kind of people. Like some people are developing the tool and some are using those tools. So I'm here using the tool. So that is the thing. It
Okay.
is not required much programming languages.
Yeah, if you are a developer, then I guess you need a lot of programming languages and skills.
Yes, you are right. So
So
in your role, what is your like responsibilities?
you can say I am designing the things on the tool.
Okay. So is it required programming as well?
Not much like you. It is just you can say you need to know how to use the tool.
It's kind of same, we can say.
So yeah, my question is like, when did you start your YouTube channel and what type of videos do you really make?
Okay, so YouTube channel I had started 1.5 year ago, and that time I had started with mathematics, but I did only few videos only, and I was not getting time to recall everything again because we had learned this mathematics on our school time. So I just left that idea and I shifted to English because I know that English is very important for my career also. So I thought it would be very helpful for me to improve my communication, and also I will make videos on YouTube. So that's how I started, and yeah, I'm continuously making this kind of videos like conversational videos and sometimes teaching some grammar things and all. That's it only.
Okay, that's great. So, like you are engineer, I'm also engineer. Like we usually have skills related to other courses like science courses or mathematics.
Mm-hmm.
What came through your mind? Like I should start teaching English, or what was your aim or goal to start making the English language and start learning and making videos related to it?
Um,
Why this idea came through your mind that time?
Okay. At that time, I didn't thought much about these things. I had just started because I wanted to utilize my time, and also I love teaching. I used to give coaching as well, and I taught in school as well in my college time. But after joining my job, I didn't get the time to teach others. So I thought if I can utilize my time, because now I can't give offline coaching because of time is not fixed. We have a flexible shift sometimes because of projects, so I can't give offline coaching. So I thought I can give online coaching. So I started teaching mathematics online, but it was quite difficult for me that time because I need to recall everything again, and I was not, I had learned everything in Hindi language, and I don't want to teach in Hindi language again. So it was quite difficult for me to read everything in English language, then I have to teach other people. So that's why it was quite difficult that time, so I just shifted to English. I don't know how it happened, and now it is continuously going on.
So yeah, my point is like you know English well, but like we Asian people usually in our schools and in our university and colleges we have the courses in English, but we usually speak Hindi or Urdu in our environment. So when did you start speaking in English, like, and what kind of things you use as a first tool to learn English as a speaking language? Because we know English as writing and reading since our childhood, but we didn't know how to speak. So, when did you start your speaking journey, and how did you improve that?
Okay, so I would say that till my college I didn't try to speak English because it was not that kind of environment in college, and I had done my schooling in Hindi medium school. So I had only one subject, so it was kind of subject, as you know, that we are just reading and writing. And in college also we had no this kind of like environment to speak in English only. It was a Hindi environment only. Faculty were teaching in Hindi language only, everything. So I didn't focus much on this thing. But when I appeared for the interview round, then I had to speak in English only. So that was very difficult for me because I haven't tried to speak before, and now suddenly somebody is taking your interview and you have to speak in English only. Every answer you have to give in English language. So I got rejected in multiple interviews because of my communication skills. That time I realized, no, I should work on my communication, then only I would get a good job. But you already know that that time we had multiple pressure on our mind, that we have to learn some technical skills, and we have other things also to prepare for that, like for job purpose. So I didn't focus much, but after giving so many interviews I got the ideas, like what type of question they are asking and how I can give the answer. So I was just preparing the answer before my interview round. So I did the same way. And yeah, fortunately, I got placed in one of the MNC companies. And in MNC also, I have to speak in English only with my colleagues and managers. So that was the main reason for me to learn this language, to be honest. And I was facing very difficulties in starting of my career. So two, 2 to 2 years, I faced a lot of difficulties. And then I thought, no, I should improve my communication. Then only I would be able to switch job and I can get new job as well. So I just started my YouTube and I switched to another company also.
Okay, that's great. Yeah, I was just checking your videos. Like there are a lot of videos on your channel related to mathematics and other things. So yeah,
Okay.
that is really good. So yeah, my point was like when you started learning English, did you
Mhm.
started by your own or did you choose any English tutor or maybe any kind of application to just start speaking in English? Like what was your first step?
No, I think I have learned each and everything by myself only. I didn't taken any coaching as well. Um, and I was speaking before also, but someday I thought like I should do the conversation with anyone. Then only I can get the feedback like what are the mistakes I'm doing. So that time I joined Clappingo. I had taken only few sessions there just to know where I'm doing mistakes and what are the areas where I have to work on. So that's it only I have done, and I would say that everything I have learned by myself only.
So, Clapingo, I also heard the name. Is it the application only available in India or is it available in other country?
Clappingo, I think it is available on India, I guess, because
Okay,
it's an Indian app. Yeah.
okay, that's great. So, that application in which you can just have a conversation with other learner, right?
Yeah,
And you
Twitter.
can get
They have
connected.
we
Okay,
have the Twitter, so they are just
like a
like
Cambly, right?
sorry.
Is it like a Cambly application?
Exactly.
Okay,
In Cambly, you can interact with the what can I say the native speakers.
right.
But in Clappingo, we have the Indian Twitters. So that is the
Okay,
main difference only.
yeah. My last question is like I know like I am engineer, you are also engineer. So
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to know, I wanted to just help the other engineers out there who wanted to improve their communication skills. They are all good in mathematics, maybe other science subjects, but they don't know how to communicate in English.
Mm-hmm.
So they are lagging behind. So what's your message for the other learners or the other English engineers who wanted to improve their communication skill? So what is the one or two tip that you can give to any person so they can start doing that and they can improve their English skills and communication skill at the same time?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so it depends whether people are like beginner or intermediate in this like language learning journey. So if the people are very beginners, so we can suggest like they can start with the tenses first. I'm just giving this suggestion because uh, as per my opinion, if you know the tenses, then you can start speaking broken English, I would say, because we have
Mhm.
multiple things on spoken that is quite different from the tenses rule. So you can't learn each and everything in a single time. So you like beginner can start with the tenses first, and then they can start making the sentence, and gradually they can learn other different things. We have multiple things on English grammar, so they can do this like what can I say, the model verbs and conjunction and all these things. So gradually they can learn. But if someone is intermediate, and especially if they are engineer and work in a working place, so I would suggest that they should learn at least business English, and little bit advanced also. I am facing these difficulties because I feel like that I am speaking very basic English, and if I'm talking in front of you, you are also learner, so that is okay. But if I'm talking in a like meeting or in my business call, and if I'm just making the simple things and I'm not using any business phrases, so it won't look like professional, I guess. So I would suggest that we should work on these things also, like we should learn some business phrases and some advanced vocabulary words as well. So yeah, we can learn in this way, I guess.
Okay, that's great. So in this session, I asked a lot of questions from you. Like we can have another session in which you can ask question from me, and that video you can upload on your channel. That's it from my side. Do you want to ask anything from me?
Okay, so do you want to have another conversation now also, or any another time?
Yeah, we can do in our
Okay.
next video. Okay.
Okay, so we will do on next video.
Okay. Take care.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye bye. Just let me stop.